Hello everybody, today we're going to be doing another programming example of Chapter 6. Now in today's programming example of Chapter 6, we're going to be calculating a grade, a value from 0 to 100, and determine the student's course grade. Now, this program has three functions: main, get score, and print grade. The chart as follows shows what it does. Now main gets the course score and then prints the course grade. Now get score prompts the user for the input, gets the input, and prints the course score. Now print grade calculates the course grade and then prints the course grade. Now the first thing we want to do is write in a couple of function prototypes right here. First we want to write in void get score, and then we can write in here int and score. Now then we'll write in void print grade and here we can write in int score. Now after we are done with that, you may be wondering what this little and sign right here is supposed to mean. Now this little and sign means that score turns into a reference parameter. Now a reference parameter is a parameter that receives the actual location of the corresponding actual parameter, meaning that whatever you write in here will be actually changed by whatever you do to it. Now, whatever you put in here will just simply be copied, and it won't actually affect what's outside. So, reference parameters can sometimes be useful in a couple of situations. For example, reference parameters are useful when the value of the actual parameter needs to be changed, when you want to return more than one value from a function, and when passing the address would save memory space and time relative to copying a large amount of data. Now, another thing that you might want to note is that when you use functions, you can only return one value while in the function. But say you want to return two values, you can use reference variables as ways to return more than one. You don't literally return more than one, but you technically do, because whatever you change inside of the function also changes outside of the function. So, now that we got that out of the way, we can move into the main function. Now that we are here, we can write in int course score. Now that we're done with that, we have int course score. We can see out line 8 based on the course score, comma, /n, new line character, this program computes the course grade, period. And no. And after we are done with that, we can write in get score course score. Now we will semicolon and write in print grade. Now that's pretty simple, but the real code happens after the main function when we define the functions. So once we're done with that, we have to come here and now we look at void get score, and then we can write in right here int, and then we write in the and sign score brackets CL line 15, enter the course score. Next we CIN score, cout, and del. And then after that we write in line 17 the course score is score and del. Next we write in void print grade int C score. Next we write in CL line 21 the course grade is, now here we're going to write a switch statement as always. Actually we're going to write an if-else statement. You can do it in both. It really depends on what you want, but in the example here it wants us to use an if statement. So if score is greater than or equal to 90, cout a period, and now else if C score is greater than or equal to 80, we can cout B, period. Actually, here we need to write in Endo, which I just noticed. And then we can write in else if C score is greater than or equal to 70. We can write in C out C, period, Endo. And then we write in else if C score is greater than or equal to 60. You write in C out D, period, Endo. And now we finally write in else C out F, period, Endo. Now after we are done with that, we can run this program, see if it runs right. You can see that I made a mistake here by not putting in. Okay, make sure you always put these parentheses and don't make a dumb mistake like I did right now, because that is just a bad mistake to do in general, okay? Trust me. What? Oh yeah. I also made another mistake by not even putting anything. So I should just put in course score here, shouldn't I? Course score. Now if I run this program, I will enter the course score, which is like 85. And I got a B. And now if my super smart and super non-time wasting friend gets a 98 on the course, his course grade is an A. Nice. Now, I hope you all had a great time doing this programming exercise with me. I hope you guys can use the programming concepts I taught you in this video to your advantage later on. And so I hope you guys have a great time. I'll see you in the next video, and bye.